Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here are the latest news on the upcoming Note 22 Ultra. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So far the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra are in works, but lately there are a deviation from Galaxy Note Ultra to Galaxy S22 Ultra, which features like Note models. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 series rumors and leaks have started making waves, and elsewhere last week, the 3D render images of the S22 series, including S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra showed up once again. A leaked picture of the S22 battery revealing its battery capacity, and the battery supplier showed up. Amid all the rumors and talks, there were also rumors claiming Samsung would rename the S22 Ultra to Note 22 Ultra. Samsung would go on and change the lineup's name to S22, S22 Pro, and Note 22 Ultra. At a time the move felt natural, as the S22 Ultra or the one named Note 22 Ultra will feature an S Pen. Given Samsung has not released the Note series this year, Note 22 Ultra would have been the spiritual successor to the Note 20 series. However, now according to Ice Universe, who suggested that the 2022 Galaxy Ultra smartphone could look different than rumored, claims Samsung will not name the smartphone Note 22 Ultra. Instead, the leaker claims that the smartphone will be called S22 Ultra. The upcoming Ultra flagship is rumored to feature a 6.8-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display with QHD and resolution and a 120Hz variable refresh rate. Of course, the hardware and software will also be renewed. The European Samsung Galaxy S22 models are most likely powered by the Exynos 2200 SoC. In other parts of the world, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 will be used. The new S-series models will run on the Android 12 operating system, in combination with the One UI 4 user interface. The battery capacity remains unchanged. The Samsung S22 Ultra will be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging. The integration of the S Pen has several implications for the rest of the design. To make room for the stylus pen, the corners are designed to be straighter than before. As a result, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a lot in common with the Galaxy Note models in terms of design. Various changes are also made on the rear. The integration of the S Pen also provides the necessary extra weight. To compensate for this, Samsung wants to integrate a lighter camera system. The large metal camera island of the S21 Ultra is relatively heavy. By choosing a water drop camera, as we also know from the Galaxy A32, you can save on weight. The configuration of the quad camera has also been known for some time. A 108-megapixel wide-angle camera is deployed, as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and two 10-megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x and 10x optical zoom. We seriously want Galaxy Note series back because it's the best smartphone model from Samsung. We hope they don't disappoint Note fans. While we wait and see the outcome. And please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.